We've been told success is about what we have, the cars, the homes, the numbers. But what if we've been chasing shadows all along? Real success, lasting success, isn't about what you make. It's about what you become. It's quiet and steady. And it endures. It's built in early mornings, tough decisions, and silent battles. Because the truth is, success doesn't arrive all at once. It appears when you refuse to give up. Success is resilience. Getting up after life knocks you down. It's falling 7 times and rising 8. It's self-discipline, doing what needs to be done when no one's watching and nothing is certain. And it's perseverance, not the sprint, but the slow, quiet marathon. It's staying the course, especially when motivation disappears. We've been sold the idea that success is what you own, but real power, that's earned. Character is forged. Purpose is discovered. The greats didn't just gather wealth. They cultivated mind and spirit. They understood this. You don't need to rule the world to leave a mark. Master yourself, and you master everything else. Nobody talks about the lonely hours, the doubts, the slow, quiet grind. But that's where the shift happens, not in the spotlight, but in the climb, in the ordinary days, in showing up with purpose. That's where legacy is built. So if you're not there yet, good. That means you're still becoming. You don't have to be fast, just consistent and committed. Because real success doesn't need to be seen to be real. It is every step, every silence, every sacrifice you make. Keep going. And when they ask how you did it, you'll say, I never stopped.